guys, my name is Gamer Boy, and today I'm gonna show you how to tame a parrot. So yeah, let's get started the video, okay? But first, I just need to needed to. Yeah, we're gonna do first person mode. Yeah, so we need a parrot right here. Oh, that's a cool parrot. Now we need to tame it with beetroot seeds. And there it is. You have your own pet. And everyone's been and if anyone doesn't know how they go on your shoulder, just like this. Just go on them. Now I have two. Oh, that's so cool! Oh my god, I never tried that before, but you can see what I'm doing. You can only hold two or three. If I think you can only hold two. First person, third bird front. So yeah, what? Okay, so here I am with the two birds, which is cool, right? Now let's fly with them. Let's fly with them. What the what? What? They're creative. Oh my god! What? That was whoa. Whoa. Why are they staring at me? Are they actually staring at me? Look at them, they're like standing right there. Oh! Wait, where's the other one? He's still on my back shoulder. Still on my oh god, shoulder. And you go here. Sorry, get them. There, and there you have it. What are you guys doing to my hair? Okay, so yes, and there you have it. How to tame parrots. Next video, I'll tame how to tame dogs and color their colors. So yeah, bye.